Hi everyone, welcome to the Places page or the Places function. The Places function is there to use when you want to identify specific locations in your application and you want to allow people to get directions to and from those locations, as well as if you want to put more information about those locations in your application. So let's get going. On the settings, the first thing you can do is you can change the icon like with everything else, and then you can change the page name. So you can go and say interesting places, and now let's add a few places. First thing we're going to do is we can add an image of the place. And then we can give it a title, beach bar, and subtitle, the view from our patio. Okay, and we can say display title and subtitle, display image in the page, and we can save it. Then we go down here and we're going to label it. So we're going to label it beach bar. We're going to put the address in on the beach, and then we can put latitude and longitude, which is fairly simple. We're just going to go to Google Maps. We're going to right click on the position and we go what is here, and when you do that you will notice that you have your longitude and latitude at the bottom over here, but it's quite difficult to try and copy it from there. So what we do is we go up into our search bar over here and we can copy the latitude and longitude right over there. We can say display address, display location button. So now we've added our first location. We can press save. And as you will note, you'll have the vote location pop up on your screen on the phone on the application over here. If you click on it, this is what you will see. Now you can go and adjust this even further. So if you go into manage application, you can edit it. What you can do is you can add text if you want to write some more below it. You can add an image, you can add a video, you can add a button, you can add an attachment, or you can add a slider with pictures. All of these are fairly simple. When you add text, you're just going to go in there and go test text. When you save it, you will notice that you've got test text over there. You can go into manage, open it up again. If you want to add an image, very simple, you just go in there and you can add images. Save it. And when we click on it now, we have the image down here. So we can add a whole bunch of images if you want to add more images. The idea of this function is if you want to put more information about specific locations and you want people to be able to find directions to those locations. So for instance, if you're building an app that shows various locations for the same chain, or maybe you're building an app for an area and you want to show all the different locations in that area, this is awesome for that. So like I said, you can add text, images, videos, buttons, attachments, sliders, everything that's needed to make an awesome page for any location. Cheers.